Hi everyone, I'm Rachel West, the Senior Nutrition Editor at eMeals.
And I'm Rebecca Lyons, Head of Culinary Development here at eMeals.
We wanted to share our tips for using the app, getting started in the app, as well as some insight into how we create our meal plans so that you can find what you're looking for. And we hope along the way that you find a lot of good things that you didn't know you were looking for.
So after you sign up for eMeals and download the app, the first thing you need to do is to pick your primary meal plan. We have 15 different meal styles to choose from, and when you pick your primary meal plan in the app, that's the one that will show up first, but you'll have access to all of them.
Now 9 of those 15 are health-focused plans, so if you're dealing with a health condition or just have certain healthy eating goals, look to those first.
If your goal is to walk in the house and have dinner on the table in 30 minutes or less, we have multiple options for you. The 30-minute meal plan and the quick and healthy meal plan are both going to be ready under 30 minutes.
But we do have 30-minute options in other meal plans. You'll find them low calorie, budget, so be sure to look around because you could find some others.
And with our new search function, you can search for super fast recipes, which will all be ready in under 30 minutes.
Now each week, more than 100 recipes will arrive in the app, so start small.
Just maybe pick 2 or 3 recipes to try that week. You don't want to get overwhelmed. We develop our recipes so that they appeal to the widest audience, but we know that everybody's taste preferences are a little different, so feel free to adjust the seasonings as you see fit.
Every recipe in the app has nutrition analysis. For the health-focused plans though, our team of dietitians are monitoring certain ingredients to help those with health conditions find meals that are great for them.
One tip that I would give you is to say be sure to save your favorite recipes. These will become your go-tos on busy nights, and you know your family will enjoy them. eMeals may feel more expensive at first, but that's just because you're having to stock your pantry with things that you probably wouldn't buy on a normal basis or keep on hand. But once you get past that, your pantry will be stocked and you'll be ready to go.
You'll notice once you get into these meal plans that we tend to call for a lot of the same ingredients over and over. And that's on purpose. That's to keep your pantry streamlined, to keep your budget down, to make shopping easier. Our shopping lists are designed to be user-friendly. We do all the hard work for you behind the scenes so you don't have to. If one recipe uses half an onion and another recipe uses half an onion, you're only going to buy the one onion. We want to keep food costs down and keep your budget low.
And our app is super easy to add things that you would normally add to your grocery list, such as snacks, toilet paper, paper towels. You can easily add those with just the click of a button.
Online grocery shopping can be a lifesaver. It helps prevent impulse purchases and it prevents your kids from putting stuff in your cart that you don't need.
And one of the great things about online grocery is that you see the price before you click buy, so you can adjust the items as needed to fit your budget.
eMeals plans so you don't have to. It'll keep you out of the drive-thru line and it'll save you a lot of money.